This is croquette. Shirts. Welcome to the Kalimba Farm, guys. Alright, so I guess, what's up, boys? How you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Today I'm at Kalimba Farm. You guys can see I'm at Kalimba Farm. I'm just close to the mini golf den. I'm going to take you guys around. Alright, I was really hungry for some, reptile meat, so I came here to buy some reptile meat. And despite that, actually, I just went into the place. I haven't been here in so long, so make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. There's so many snakes to show you guys, so many crocodiles to show you guys, and just other kinds of reptiles. So make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. I'm here today just having fun, y'all already know, and I'll check you guys. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to see when you walk into Kalimba Farm, as you guys can see, is the pythons. Alright, as you guys can see, the pythons. See the pythons right there. Pythons are right there. You can see there's the shading, the snakes and stuff. Pythons. Super huge snakes. Super huge snakes. I don't know how many there are, but yes. Then we have the Gabon Ada. This one right here. You guys can see that's a snake. Yeah, it's not dead. Fine snake. Fine snake. I don't know where this one is, but it should be in here somewhere. Okay, let's see. Let's go to the brown house snake. Brown house snake. That's what does what. We have the black mamba. You guys can see that's the black mamba. Alright guys, so now we have the boom slug. This one's known as the happiest snake on the planet. That's the puff adder. Puff adder. Super venomous. We have the king cobra right here. That's the speed cobra. That's a speed cobra. As you guys can see, it's very dangerous. We have a snake that's lying down. It's all lying down. That's the Mozambique spitting cobra. I don't know what it's doing in Zambia, but it should be there, down there. Forest cobra. It's ready to strike. they have the pool area, I think. Yep, and then at the back they have a mini golf thing. Let me just show you guys a little bit. Kalimba farm would make the perfect date. Has the mini golf. As you guys can see, it has a mini golf. They're about to see that. Yeah. So that was like, and right behind me we have what we call the sausage. This is the sausage tree, guys. The sausage tree. You can imagine, it's a tree. It's not made of sausages, but I think it has fruits that look like sausages. Alright, now I'm just going to show you guys around. That's the sausage tree. That one there, that's the sausage tree. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is the sausage tree. It has sausages. I don't know if they're eatable fruits. I don't know. But they look like sausages. You guys can see sausage. The sausage tree. So this is the sausage tree. These are the sausages. Drop sausages down there. Yeah. So the mini golf course is actually, it's big. The mini golf course is pretty big. You guys can see. I wish they had made a skate park instead of a mini golf course. Yes, it's super nice. Lastly, alright guys, I think that's everything. Now I'm going to ask a very kind person to show me around. They have a baby pool. I don't know how effective it is though, but it's the baby pool. As you guys can see, they'll clean it up if you want your kids to swim in it, I bet, or rather I think. Alright, let's go check out some more reptiles. Alright guys, so I'm on the crocodile. The little ones, the tiny ones, like the one I just got as a pet. It has its mouth open. I don't know why they do this. The tour guide should come explain this to me. I'm an illiterate if it comes to this stuff. I have no idea what's going on. Why is your mouth open? His mouth is open. Okay, cool. That's the bell-hang tortoise and the leopard tortoise. I had no idea they were even different. They all look the same. Okay, there's another cage. Okay, here we have the tortoise. I'm not too certain why they are here. Okay, I think they do qualify to be called reptiles, right? We have this one there. We have another one there. Another one on the side. So we have tortoise. The tortoise. It's probably 1,000 years old, man. Boy, you probably that.
Hello? Hey.
Alright guys, so this is a reptile.
I would do